Hello students, how are you all? In this video we discuss exercise 5.2 question number 1 of chapter number 5 arithmetic progression. So let's start without wasting a time. Student, this question contains 5 parts, right? And the question is fill in the blanks on the following table given that A is the first term. Here you can see that we having some value of a first term. Then D is a common difference. D is also given in a some part. And An the nth term of AP, right? And the An, that means the nth term, is also mentioned in a some part. So in a different part, you have to find the unknown value, right? So let's start. In the first part, A is given 7, D is given 3. N is given 8 and you have to find An, that means nth term, right? Now you know the formula very well of nth term equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Where A is a first term, D is a common difference, and n is given, it is a 8, that means the 8th term, right? 8th term. Put the value of A, it is a 7 plus. Put the value of N, it is a 8 minus 1 and D is 3. Right? Solve it for the 7 plus. 8 minus 1 equal to 7 into 3. 7 plus. Now 7 3s are 21. And 21 plus 7 equal to 20. Right? तो ये जो फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो आपका an था वो आपको कितना मिला स्टूडेंट? 20, right? Now let's solve the second part. In second part, A is given minus 18, D you have to find, N is given 10, and An is given 0, right? So again write the formula of An. So An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the all value. An equal to 0, A equal to minus 18 plus n equal to 10 minus 1, D you have to find, so D as it is. Now shift minus 18 to plus 18, so 0 plus 18. 10 minus 1 equal to 9 and 9 into D equal to 9. 0 plus 18 equal to 18. Shift 9 multiply to divide. Then you will get the value of D. So 9 2s are 18. So value of D equal to, right student? So your second part is completed. In the third part of a question number 1, here we have to find the A. D is given, it is a minus 3, N is 18 and An is given, it is a minus 5. So again apply the formula of An. So An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where An is minus 5, A you have to find, N is 18, so 18 minus 1 and D is minus 3, right? Minus 5 as it is, A as it is plus 18 minus 1, 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 as it is equal to A as it is. Now see, 17 multiplied by minus 3, that means the plus 17 multiplied by minus 3. So plus minus minus and 17 3s are 51, right? Now you want to find this, so for that you have to shift this minus 15 to plus 15. Okay? Yes or no student? Now minus plus minus and sign of bigger, that means 51 minus 5. So if you subtract 51 minus 5, then 11 minus 5 6 and 46. So answer is plus 46 because greater number is in positive, the sign of positive, right? So value of A equal to 46. Clear? Now let's solve part number 4. In the part 4, A is given, it is a minus 18.5, B is 2.5. You have to find N, and An is also given, it is a 2.6, right? Now apply the formula of An. So An equal to A plus N minus 1 into B, where An equal to 3.6, A equal to minus 18.9 plus, and you have to find for N minus 1 as it is, and B is 2.5. Clear? Now see 3.6 as it is, minus 18.9 as it is. Now see this 2.5 with a bracket, so 2.5 with N, 2.5, and 2.5 multiplied with minus 1, so minus 2.5. Okay? 3.6 as it is. Now minus 18.9 and minus 2.5. As we all know, minus minus gives you plus, and sign of minus. So 18.9 and 2.5. If you add them, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry. 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 11, 1 carry, 21.4, right? So answer is 21.4, but minus 21.4 plus 2.5. Now see this minus 21.4 to plus 21.4 equal to 2.5, right? Now add them, 3.6 plus 21.4. So 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 5, 25. 25.0, that means 25. Equal to, now see, if you want to remove this decimal point, so you have to divide it by 10, right? Because the decimal point is present before one digit, so you have to divide it by 10. Now, shift this 10, divide to multiply, and shift this 25, multiply to divide, equal to n. So 25, 25 cancel out. So n equal to 10, right? So value of the n is 10 in the part number. Okay. Now let's solve last part of this question. In the last part, A is given, it is a 3.5. B is given, it is a 0. N is given, it is a 105, and you have to find An, right? So apply the formula of An. It is A plus N minus 1 into B, where A is 3.5 plus N is 105 minus 1, and B is 0. Now see, 0 is multiplied with this bracket, ये पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. So answer is 3.5 plus 0 equal to 3.5, right? तो here student जो question number 1 is completed. I hope आपको अच्छे समझ में आया, ठीक है? Now student, question number 2 of this exercise is a multiple choice question. Question number 2 contain two parts. First part is 13th term of AP 10, 7, 4, so on is. That means here you have to find the 13th term, right? That means you have to apply the formula of An, which is a plus n minus 1 into b. But for that हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए, वैल्यू ऑफ a and वैल्यू ऑफ b. So here a equal to 10, b equal to 7 minus 10, है ना? b2 minus a, that means 7 minus 10 equal to minus 3. और जो n है, कौन से नंबर का टर्म आपको फाइंड करना है, 30, तो n equal to 30, right? Now apply the formula. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into b, where n is 30, so it becomes a 30, a is 10 plus n is 30 minus 1, and b is minus here. So a is 10, 30 minus 1, it is a 29 into minus 3. So 10 as it is, plus minus minus 29 3s are 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, right? Now 10 minus 87 equal to minus 77, because if you subtract a larger number from the smaller, you will get answer in negative, right? Now see, second part is also same as part number 1 here, but we have to find the 11th term, that means the n is given, it is 11. So a is minus 3, right? D is a2 minus a1, that means minus 1 by 2, minus a is minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus. Take LCM, 3 2s are 6. So minus 1 plus 6 upon 2. Minus plus minus and sign of bigger. So 6 minus 1 5. So your D is 5 by 2 and N is 11. Clear? Now apply the formula. Okay, N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where N is 11, A is minus 3 plus N is 11 minus 1 and D is 5 by, right? So minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, it is a 10 into 5 by 2. 2 5s are 10. So minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. So minus 3 plus 25. So minus plus minus and sign of bigger. So 25 minus 3 is plus 20, right? So here student, your question number 2 is completed. It is an MCQ based question. So in this video we already discussed question number 1 and question number 2. तो आई होप आपको स्टूडेंट ये क्वेश्चन अच्छे समझ में आए हो. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.